Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the M2 machines, and this one is the 1968 Chevrolet Camaro SS350, and this one is 8,750 pieces worldwide. It's limited to 8,750 pieces. And let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So to be very honest guys, this is my first M2. I actually bought 4 of it so far. So it just looked really cool, so I bought it. And let's see how it looks in our hands. So I got to know there are like two variations of each car. Two variations in the sense it comes in two different set of what you can say packaging. One is with this acrylic case here. Yes, this one is acrylic case, and another one is just blister packing. So this one I bought it, I think, for 1,200 or 1,300 rupees, I guess. Okay. Wow, it has very cool art in the background, as you can see here. I think you can take it out. Yeah, you can take it out. So this one is really neat. I think you can put it inside if you want. So I'm just going to keep it in this box itself, even once I even unbox it. So let's just push it back in. Okay, let's put this aside for a minute and let's look at the car. I don't know, there is some kind of, you can see there is some kind of, I think it will fit on top of one another if I'm not wrong. So let's put the sticker back here. Okay, it is screwed down here, so we need to unscrew this. And I really like the presentation here. It has this acrylic case on top. Okay, let's, am I doing it right? Or yeah, it came out. Okay, let's first unscrew this one and then we will have a review about it. So just give me a minute guys, let me just get my screwdriver set and unscrew this one and we can look at the car. So here it is guys, I just unscrewed the car. So there are two set of screws here. Let's put this aside safe. Let me show you the base first. So the base is actually made of plastic and it has some good detailing to it, like like a shop floor. Okay, let's put this aside for a minute and let's look at the car. So the initial impressions of this car are like, this looks really beautiful. So the paint job is really nice and smooth. It's a really smooth touch. So it has openable parts along with awesome details inside. So the headlights are kind of embossed on it. The logo placement is really nice. It is a bit heavy, not too heavy, but it's a bit heavy. It's a left-hand drive, so as you can see here. So the taillights are actually painted, but it is embossed first and then it's painted on top of it. I think, yeah. So the entire car is actually made of metal. I thought it was actually made of plastic. I think only this part is made of plastic if I'm not wrong. I'm not sure why, because I never owned a M2 before. This is my very first one. So let's see what it does in case if it is supposed to do something. So there is some dust. Camaro SS. And so for you guys, so this tires are actually made of rubber. So the rims looks really nice. See, only this part is made of plastic. I can't figure out why they did that. But rest of this entire car is made of metal. From here, the chassis, until this part here in the chassis, it is made of metal. Okay, let's see if it has suspension. No, it doesn't have any suspension. Okay, let's do a roll test. I really don't want to do, but let's see. It rolls okay. Not much wheel wobble here. Doesn't have any wheel wobble here, but it rolls pretty smooth. This looks really beautiful. The casting looks really beautiful. Let me just pop the hood one more time. So this looks really sick. So the details are really nice. I'm glad I went with this one. And that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.